Welcome back to Stock Talk Trades. We are going over Ethereum in this video. It's going to be pretty quick. We don't have much to cover. As you can see, I do have a price target here, and I can go ahead and show you guys how I'm going to make that. This is around 5,000. Let's go and take a peek at Fibonacci retracements here from this swing low, then these little lows, but I'm taking from this first run up. We had a 38.2. So that's a good retracement, and I'm looking for another run up to, again, that 38.2 to 23.6, because that's where this pulled back to. And again, ideally we'd want to stay above this $32,000 range, but you know, it might not happen just because we are overextended. So if we do break below that and find resistance, I do see us potentially pulling back all the way to that $2,500 level before we continue going higher. I know that's not what you guys want to hear, but it very well could happen. I know everyone's saying that 5K, 8K, 10K by the end of the year. It's very possible, but Ethereum would have to absolutely go parabolic, like huge. Like this is at 5,000, 8K. Like I don't really see that happening in the time frame that I mean, maybe in the past year I have this time frame because I believe that we will hit 5,000 by the beginning of June to the possibly mid-June. So somewhere in here, I do believe that we'll hit. So I do believe some on this time frame. But you know, I don't try to make time frames. I don't try to plan the time. I'm just giving you as a rough estimate of when I think. It's purely an opinion. I have no fucking idea about the time when it's going to hit it. That's not really technical analysis. You just look at the patterns and the edges. So we are following a nice ABC pattern here, which is good. And looking for that pullback and then looking for that D move. And if that can happen, that'd be good. We have strong support right here, strong resistance right here. And again, how I play this is I buy at the bottom. A lot of people like to buy the breakout. I don't like to buy the breakout. You have thousands of false breakouts. Boom. Pulled up, pulled back. False breakout. Again, I'm not even trying to look for it. I just found one. And again, that same thing could very well happen. So why would you play it? Like, I know a lot of people love breakout strategies. I just don't like it. You have to take into account the market, it's just more to take into account. But I like to buy at the bottom of the support, see how this found support and came back up. I would probably have bought somewhere close into here and seen what it does. Probably as close as I can. Excuse me. Because we hit some support here, so I'll probably have a pretty stop loss somewhere in here. And my first profit target would be at the all-time high. Because this would be, again, we might consolidate here, like come out to all-time high, you know, maybe fall back a little bit, break up, fall back, and then at the breakout, that's when I sell some, and that's how a lot of people sell. That's why there's a false breakout before we actually break up to this $5,000 level. I would take some profits here, probably some profits at here, and then some more profits at $5,000, and that's just how I trade. So it's not a huge deal. You really have to make your trading style all up to you. It's personalized, so you can't really just copy someone else's trading style. I mean, you can try, and if it works out for you, then great, but you're gonna once you get really, really in depth, you're going to tweak it to some ways how you like it. But I'm really liking where Ethereum's heading. Nice pullback. I'm honestly looking for a little consolidation here for a little bit because I want to see how he had this sharp move. I want this 20 EMA. Why? Okay. I want this 20 EMA to come up and almost push it up. I also want this 50 SMA to be able to almost squeeze it out, and then before we break that $5,000 level. So I think that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. We grew a ton yesterday. Thank you guys so much. Love you all. And if you guys do find value from these videos, please consider subscribing. It helps the channel out, and I continue to post videos like these every single day. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. I'm giving away $100 at 1,000 subscribers. So make sure you stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys in the next one.